After nearly 65 years without much growth, the members of the Puli Seventh-day Adventist Church in Taiwan knew they needed to try something different. In the past, they took a casual approach to outreach activities. This usually meant hanging a poster on the wall to announce an event and hoping church members would show up. Time and time again, almost no one showed up. In 2016, church leaders called upon the members to brainstorm new ways to connect with the community. Church members caught the vision and decided that health education was a major need in their town. They began mingling and developing relationships with their neighbors. At the local community center, they started hosting exercise classes. They even established a 5-day camp for children to attend during the winter and summer holidays. About 20 kids attended each time. In 2018, the church collaborated with the Health Promotion Department of Taiwan Adventist College and developed the Health 100 course, which promotes a holistic approach to health. Cooking classes, therapeutic massage workshops, and other events have blessed many people in Puli. People's health was improving as a result of these efforts, but church members wanted to do more. They created an after-school reading class for disadvantaged families. The church has helped 12 children from 6 families improve their reading skills. English classes and music classes have been very popular with about 20 students. The church quickly transformed from a building used once a week into an active urban center of influence. There's demand for more classes, but there isn't room. Church members in Puli pray for a new space to offer more classes and workshops. They have plans to continue expanding their ministry. Through Christ's method, they went from being a church with no growth to an influential voice in the community. This quarter, the 13th Sabbath offering will help build 3 new urban centers of influence in Taiwan. Your contribution will make a difference in the lives of people across this territory.